Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question, October 17, 21, variant and question number 21. And in this question, what is the target? We mentioned here, we have to find two unknown constants, two unknown values, one v and one u. Okay. First of all, you know this property we done many times. I repeat again this property. And property is that if this point is fixed, for example, D, this point is fixed, for example, C. So if I join here and if I join here, what is this angle 35? If I join here, if I join here, so this is also 35. Logic is very clear because this arc length is whatever. So this angle and this angle equals to each other. Means if I make an angle here and if I go back and meeting here, so this and these both angles are equal to each other. Now, if you compare this question with this question, so this arc length is same. Okay, students, and I meet here and here, and this angle 35. I meet here, and this angle is also 35. So this angle and this angle equals to each other. Simply write a reason and right here, if u is equals to 35. Okay, he did not ask a reason, but if he asks a reason or angle in the same arc, angles in a same arc are equal. Okay, so are equal. So I think idea is very clear. So let's talk about the next question, next part. Next part is asking, he's asking v. Okay, very interesting. We did not focus on these two arrows. You know, I just introduced this concept even when two lines are parallel to each other. Have a look. This arrow and this arrow means these lines are parallel to each other. And if for example, if this line cut like this, if this is 35, this automatically 35. So this line and this line parallel and this line cut. If this is 35, so this is 35 automatically. So I am erasing this diagram. So I can say immediately that this angle is 35 and this already 35 I have it. So if and what about this? Whenever two line cross like this, if this is V, what is this? Also V. So I'm just telling this is a V and this is V as well. Now I can say that the add of the all angles is 180 degree. So 35 plus 30 plus 5 is 180. So B becomes with 70 and 70 go and subtract from 180 and 180, 170 and give me 110. So let's talk about this question. In this part, he has given us this 210 is given by him and all people know it. Whenever we need this angle to find it, an angle in a full circle is 360 degree. Okay, I label this angle as an x. And x degree we can say is how to find x degree. So out of 360 degrees, subtract 210. Logic, because full circle, this angle is 360 degree, and from 360 subtract 210, you get a lower one. And if I subtract, I get 150 degree. Okay, this is done. Now we have to find out a p. That this property is a very important, which I'm going to discuss now. And you know, students, angle at center is, let's say, 150. If I join here, what is this angle? Half of it. Reason, angle at center, angle circumference always half. But if this point shifts slightly right side, then what happens? So look, students, I show you that even. If I meet it here and this also half. Okay, if this point shifts slightly more means like this. What is this angle? Again half, 75. If this point slightly move here, again this half. I hope so got my point. So this property implements here, and I can say this angle is center and this angle is circumference. So I can say that P is equals to 150 divided by 2 because half of x. So I got 75 degree, and I believe the question is very clear, and we have done it.